AIM is excited to announce a partnership with the iDashboards as a complementary product to the AIM Vision Suite. The iDashboards are a charting and data visualization tool for all of AIM data. iDashboards can be reached through any browser. Simply open up your browser and log into the iDashboard. You can set up your iDashboards so they open to your favorite dashboard. AIM provides a full suite of dashboards when you buy the product, and it's already pre-built and ready for customer use. In this example, we see the Key Performances Indicator dashboard called QDIP, which has sales, quality, delivery, inventory, and productivity and purchasing data. Here you can see the sales per day chart and scrap values by the same day, trending for the current month. If you select or hover over any given day on one chart, you can see the same date is highlighted on the other charts. You also have the ability to drill into the given chart and see sales by destination. In a similar way, you could do the same with the scrap data and look at your quality data for a given day or specific time period. Scrap values by reason code, scrap quantity by reason code, or all scrap events. Here we see a dashboard with 3 separate charts. All of the dashboards can be exported to Excel with comma-separate values. If you wanted to, you could bring your data in for further dissection using some of the Excel charting tools. You also have buttons within iDashboards to automatically select a date range. For example, the current month or the previous month. We have year-to-date options as well. iDashboards is viewed through HTML, which means it can be displayed in any web browser. This means you can see your dashboards on a tablet in a work cell. Similarly, a supervisor may want to check his or her dashboards using a mobile phone while walking around the plant. Or with a proper VPN connection, you could even monitor your dashboards from a mobile phone when you are not in the facility. In addition, the Dashboards product comes with a display license. The display license is outstanding for showing your key performance metrics to the plant floor on a common area TV. Lastly, the Dashboards product is viewable by an individual user on a PC terminal for analyzing data trends and areas of improvement. When used with Mobility MES, AIM Dashboards can provide real-time information on activity within a work cell. Here you'll see that if you click on the Productivity Dashboard hyperlink, we show the current status of work centers by department, including which jobs they are running, how long they have been running, and whether or not they are in run or down mode. We also have a hyperlink to the whiteboard schedule, which is a viewable HTML file that can be viewed from any browser, and you can access that from your dashboard. AIM is developing an hour-by-hour dashboard that can be used in addition to Mobility MES. In the hour-by-hour dashboard, we can show the information usually collected on a whiteboard in the cell with the hour-by-hour production rate, the start hour, the end hour, the networking minutes, any job that was run with steps, goal pieces, good quantity, actual versus goal, and scrap quantity. This information would be updated on the dashboard in real time, and it could be presented either at the work cell or at a desk or office for the plant management to review. Users are given roles within iDashboards, and certain users may only be viewers of dashboards, while others may be builders or data admins of dashboards. Dashboards are stored within categories, and users can be given access only to individual categories. Thus, if certain dashboards are not appropriate for certain users within your organization, that information can be kept confidential. Users in iDashboards are set up and assigned to a primary group of dashboards. In addition to their primary group, they may be assigned to secondary groups of dashboards that they can view. If a user does not have access to a group of dashboards, they will not be able to view the dashboard data. There are limitless options for creating charts in iDashboards: bar charts, column charts, bubble charts, speedometer charts, bullet charts, just to name a few. For more information on AIM Dashboards, visit our website aimcom.com/business-intelligence or call 586-439-0300.